Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Margarita, and today I decided to make a Christmas layout. So at the end of this video, I'll describe all of my process, and I'll also tell you where I got the things from and what basically I'm using. And obviously, I'll leave all the links where I got all the things from down below. So enjoy the time lapse.
Christmas is, that's about the best time of the whole year. Christmas is, that's about the best time of the whole year.
So this is almost the end of the video, and as I promised, I'll tell you what I used, but I think you already can see what's on my layout. So basically I used things from the craft store, such as pine branches, you can see them everywhere. The berries and cotton I also got from the craft store. It was a wreath, but I decided to take it apart and put it in different places. The giant white snowflakes, that's how I call them, I got from the dollar store. Like, it was a pack, I think, for $1. Don't really remember, I got it like a long time ago. The cinnamon sticks I got from the supermarket. Right now, like, I don't use them for food anymore. That's the part of my decorations. Dried grapefruit, I made it myself. Yes, I just cut a grapefruit and I left it for a few days or weeks. Don't really remember because I made it like 2 years ago. And you see some pine cones, I found it on the streets. Yeah, so there it is. That's all what I used for this video, and some like carton board, yeah, just for the background. I didn't want to put this everything on the floor because you can see my floor is too dark for the layout. And I think that's it. That's what I used, and thanks for watching.
Christmas is, that's about the best time of the whole year.